almost 2 decades of hard work and progressive research, LIN SCAN has dedicated to safe operation of oil and gas pipelines, doing complex inline inspection projects worldwide, which cover onshore and offshore operations with top quality and safety approaches. As a high-tech company, we invest our resources into innovation. All inspection technologies used by LIN SCAN are the result of our own research and development. The latest technology is implemented when we build new equipment or prepare the tools for work. Our own tool production facility makes us an independent and flexible ILI provider. All aspects of project preparation and fieldwork planning are the focus of LIN SCAN's project management team, having years of experience behind them. We are proud of our high rate of successful runs and great safety record, both at sea or at the onshore site. Constant training and professional upgrading are part of our strategy for data analysis personnel. The purpose is to ensure that inspection data is processed by top professionals. Sales and technical experts will offer solutions both for routine inspections and for projects with non-standard tasks for intelligent pigging in special operation conditions. We realize that our knowledge of pipeline integrity can improve the industry and make it safer. Therefore, we share this knowledge with other professionals struggling for a safer oil and gas industry and better world. LIN SCAN Integrity Solution Package offers several types of magnetic and ultrasonic technologies, geometry inspection, and 3D mapping in any combination, aimed to detect pipeline profile, metal loss, and other defects, repairs, geometry, and construction features. Our human and technical resources ensure constant availability of all tool diameters for work. The company works according to top quality and HSE standards of the oil and gas industry, as well as produces ATEX certified equipment. LIN SCAN has grown from a local provider to a globally recognized expert. A multinational team and our local partners make sure that we speak the same language with our customers. As a complex solution provider, we not only offer intelligent pigging, but support your work with inspection results and integrity management, help to make the pipeline piggable, and even do pipeline repair work with composite materials. We have special solutions for unconventional pigging conditions, and do various types of extended integrity analysis combined into a uniform package. Throughout our development, we set up ambitious missions in order to stimulate further technology growth and help to move all ILI industry to even higher standards. Your integrity management policy may require different types of assessment of data acquired during inspection, and we are glad to offer a comprehensive approach here. The list of analysis types which our experts do contains over 10 different reports. Either onshore or at sea, either in America or in Asia, we work reliably and safely. We do our best to meet our customers' expectations and practices. Our teams are ready to take over all responsibilities of the project: equipment delivery, customs clearance, transportation, lifting, washing, debris handling, trap installation, AGM placement, hiring divers, and even more. All in all, our main values are pipeline integrity and maximum throughput, safe environment, and our clients' perfect experience from work with LIN SCAN.